If you need to turn off two-factor authentication on your American Express account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Profile section in the menu. Click on it to find your security settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Account Services section, locate the Security or Two-Factor Authentication option. Click on it to view your current authentication settings. Step 4. Disable Two-Factor Authentication. Find the option to turn off two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as Disable or Turn Off. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily manage your two-factor authentication settings on your American Express account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.